These are my Battle Buds by Turtle Beach. They're awesome. This is the most comfortable earbud for gameplay that I've ever worn. And let me show you what they look like. They're in that side, this little pouch that comes with it. And this is as simple as you go. Look at this. Little earbuds fit right into your ear. You've got your inline, so microphone is in here, of course, not a problem. You've got volume control and mute button. You also have these different adapters depending on the size of your ear, small, medium, and large. But we're not done yet, because let me show you the coolest feature. This mic makes you look like you're on a mission somewhere, but this is what the mic would look like. Once you put this on, you don't need to actually have it on to play and to be heard. But once you have it on, people I was playing with online could hear me crystal clear, much, much better. And it's super light. It's very, very easy to use. And once you're done, just disconnect and you're good to go. This is a 3.5mm jack, so compatible with Mac, PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, what have you. Just plug it in to your favorite console or a remote and you're good to go. It is a very clear and very easy to use earbuds, and I just love that mic function. It is super easy to use, very adaptable, and great. I use them all the time.